Already.
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the Norwell radio public warning.
That was quick. What time is it? 11:01. Nice job, Melbourne. You're staticky.
If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service.
Oh shoot, I forgot to turn on my bell
For
thing.
station KIH63 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH63 in Orlando,
Can't leave out the
warning alerts
991.
will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWS69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.